All right, y'all, we got two brand new mini bikes right here. We got this one still in the box. We just got this from, brand new in the crate. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna take this one out the crate. I'm gonna put this one together just like that one. And then we're gonna do a whole shot before, the other performance engines come in for them. So then we're gonna go from there. All right, y'all, so I'll open the top of the box. So the next thing I'm gonna start doing is tearing the box apart and pull this cage from over the mini bike so we can pull it out and start putting on the handlebars, the front wheel. Yeah, then we're gonna go from there. All right, y'all, so we got the cardboard from around it. So the next thing we're gonna do is just start pulling the mini bike from under the cage. Then we're gonna go from there. All right, y'all. As you can see, the stand is empty now. We got it out the stand. So the next step is gonna be putting on the front wheel, the front fender, and putting the handlebars on right. And then I'm just gonna go ahead and take that wrap from around the seat, and then we're gonna go from there. All right, we got everything back together. Now let's see what happens if it starts up first pull, fresh out the crate. Okay. That one is first start. That's cold too now, y'all. That's cold. Cold. Let's fresh out the crate. It's a cold start.